operation build my shoe shelf, okay?
You know what? We should bring a shoe, one of your shoes, so we can put it up to the board so you know what it looked like.
Okay, wanna go get one?
Yeah.
Well, he's going to get a shoe. So we are heading to, what time is it? It's like maybe 7 p.m. right now. But we are heading to Best Buy. Not Best Buy. Oh my gosh. Always at Best Buy. We are heading to what that's supposed to be called? Home Depot. We're going to Home Depot and we are going to be finding my shelves to build my DIY shelf, my shoe shelf. That's what we're about to do, and then I'm gonna actually build it tomorrow morning. DJ and I are gonna build it in the morning. And anyways, we will talk more when we get into the store because I'm in the car waiting because he's going to get a shoe so that we can measure the height or something. I don't know. He's in charge. I'm just the director. So yeah. Oh, he picked a good shoe. One of my favorite shoes. So cute. So we got the shoe. We're heading to Home Depot. Keep saying Best Buy. We made it into Home Depot and we're about to get this wood going. It smells so delicious.
Love it.
I love the smell of wood.
Fresh wood.
Fresh wood.
Love it.
It does smell nice. So what is the kind of wood we need? Like the glossy one?
Yeah, I think we're gonna use it's already pre-painted right over here. So it's pre-painted. Cut it. Somebody better be working at cut machine.
So here's the wood. Yeah, this is.
Actually 9.5. So right here.
That's on top of 9.5?
This is yeah.
Why?
You need 2 of these and then you need 2 9.5.
Why? What's that for?
So this gonna look smooth as possible. So I was thinking not like a closet shelf or what you call it that hold the shelves up. We're not gonna do those. I'm gonna try to make it as seamless as possible. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this on the wall.
And then the other part on top?
Put the shelf right on top, and I'm gonna do L brackets. That way you don't really see anything hanging. It just looks really smooth, like really floating. It's the best way I can get it to float.
Okay. Expensive?
Yeah.
Oh, heck no. $44, $49.
Really? This is not really horrible, you know? But
I mean, all of them will hang off.
you should get 2 for the price of one of those, you know?
I mean, I could slant them.
That's possible too.
Yeah, I could have them slant. That's fine.
So this.
That's this better one, or
It's cheaper and
it's no difference?
it's different material.
Oh, okay, but that.
Different material. This one
I mean, it's what?
is way lighter. It could really be either or. I mean, you just say something and use this.
Okay. That one kind of damaged too. The back. Working on something super exciting. Look at me in Home Depot.
Place on the street called Living Legacy. Yeah. Oh, okay. So we got one of these and one of these.
Oh wait, I can't go over there, huh?
91 inches. The 91? Yeah, 91.
Sorry, we're vlogging. All up in the man's space. They both 96, like both sets.
Yeah, no.
So you only needed to cut one set.
Yeah, this because in front of your bed is different than the wall.
So the other one is fine.
The other one's fine. The other one is 96. It's like what we need.
Oh, okay. You need more stuff? This is the part of the vlog where I just let him do his thing, y'all, because I don't know nothing about these things. I'm just here to be cute and boss him around. I'm just kidding. I'm so excited. So we're gonna start building it tomorrow. Today is December 27th, right after Christmas, and I'm like, you know what, I need to get this thing done. I've been in my apartment for a whole year now. Let's do this. Once it's built, we're gonna order the lights. I mean, we can order the lights tonight. I'll probably ask him about it later, ordering the lights from Amazon or whatever, so that it can light up. It'll be motion censored, I think. I don't know yet, but I'm super excited. My shoe shelf, and I need to do something else with my purse too, because my purse shelf is filled up, and I got new purses that I purchased. Also, I've gotten for Christmas. Like, there's 2 of them that I just received from my friends, BerryFae and Asia. Love y'all. They just gave me 2 different bags for Christmas, so I'm like, I don't have nowhere to put them on the shelf, so I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do with the purse shelf. Am I going to take the purses off and create something else for the purses and use that shelf as something else? I'm not sure. We were gonna see. I do have more shelving, like individual shelves to put on them. I just need the spacing to be leveled so that the purses are not crushing each other. So we're gonna figure that out tomorrow as well. What's the verdict gonna be? Am I gonna keep the purse shelf or change into something else and find a new way to display my handbags? So stay tuned for that. But yeah, we're about to go check out. We're gonna go check out, and then you'll see the next clip of loading the car and then starting the process. See, I wish you still had a truck. Or I put my seat down and sit in the back.
Can you help?
Alright y'all, we're about to get started with the drilling process. What are you doing first?
So right now we're measuring out the studs. So yeah, marking each studs that I'm gonna show into.
Okay. Take a nap.
Oh.
Can I take a nap?
So casually keep diving into concrete. So bittersweet. Keep losing sleep while driving in the backseat. What's left of me? Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder. You know, sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder.
Almost done. Go ahead. After, like, what else do we need to do besides put the lights on?
Oh, that's it?
Erase?
Well, I'm a caulk. Yeah, caulk and kind of clean up the wall a little bit, but.
And you don't have the lights with you?
I do got lights.
Yeah.
I mean, I got lights.
They won't fit?
Hmm?
They won't fit? One pack won't fit?
You know, nah, they won't. They'll be too short.
Actually, I don't know if I really want, like, regular LED lights like the TV.
Mm-hmm.
I want, like, almost like fluorescent lights. Or not fluorescent lights, but like kind of like the light that's on the picture wall. Like white,
mm-hmm.
yellow. Like, I don't want, like, greens and
mm-hmm.
blues and stuff.
Yeah.
So I don't know how I go about that.
Yeah, well, you know, you can always change the colors. Like, if you want to white. You can choose white. You can go to yellow.
White could be on my TV.
Mm-hmm.
I've never seen it.
Yeah, white. Yeah. I think it's gonna look kind of better down there because you don't really have any light affecting it, so you're gonna get a raw color.
I just want like white though. I don't need like purples and pinks. Cause I'm a grown woman, you know. Yeah, I think I just want white. Sometimes like a soft yellow, depending on the time of the day the lights are gonna be on. And I kind of wanted a motion sensor, but I think I'm just gonna do the remote thing. That's blue.
It's white. That's blue.
It looks blue. It's not white. That looks aqua.
That look aqua.
That's blue.
You know what? They sell them though. That natural light color they sell it.
Yeah.
As long as they got the right size.
Yeah, I don't want any colored.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Update, guys. Now handicapped. My entire nail popped off and it's bleeding really bad. So try it, slant it a little bit. Yeah, but like next to each other, not like
So casually keep diving into concrete. So bittersweet. Huh? Keep losing sleep while driving in the backseat. What's left of me? Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder. You know, sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Days just keep on getting much darker. Even when I'm down in the low, I remember what you were saying. Sometimes all you need is a spark, and maybe just a better kind of bitter. Lose gravity, I'm swimming.
alright, y'all. This is what it's looking like so far. Without the lights on. Might take a little break. All we have to do next is put the lights on, put my side table on the other side, move this picture to that wall, and then we'll be done. But it looks so good. Who you know got this, okay? I love it.